I felt stuck for a portion of my life. Sometimes I still find myself engaged in moments where I'm cleaning the tacky residue from the soles of my shoes. It's in my commitment to self-care that keeps me on course, avoiding knee-deep situations that sabotage my progress. Experience has taught me as I help others, I help myself. Holding space for the professional women who hold space for everyone else is my priority. To my sister on the path, I'm amazed how we can become frustrated when others break promises to us, yet we don't always keep the promises we make to ourselves. As women, we give so much of ourselves, rarely pausing to replenish. We hold ourselves accountable to others. We set the bar high. We aim our thoughts and actions towards showing up in a way that serves others, sometimes eliminating ourselves. The time has come to put yourself first, to reconnect with yourself, to reassess what you value, and to rise and embrace all of who you are. I'm here to hold space for you as you navigate your new way of being. Together, we discover and integrate new blueprints for the women we are embracing. I'm cheering for you, and I'm here for you. Let's take this life we have come to live to a whole new dimension. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you real soon. Be well.